Hello and welcome. It's good to have you on this video. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to design an ebook cover, just like the one displayed on your screen. Okay, so the first thing is to open your Canva mobile app, or you can use the Canva web, whichever one. Okay, so this is our Canva mobile app interface. So the easiest thing to do is to tap on the search box and type in book cover. Okay, so there are so many templates here which you can edit, but if you want to start from the scratch, you tap the blank. Okay, so we are here. The size and everything is set for you. All you have to do is to begin editing. So for this book cover that I'm designing, it's about money, so I needed an image that describes money. Okay, so no, this is better. Adjust it properly. I'll bring in a shape. So your ebook might be about anything, so you just have to be creative and choose the word that best describes it, or choose the picture rather that best describes the title of your book. Okay. I'll bring in the text. Make more money. That's the title of the book. In short, let me just change the font to something bolder and bigger. Yes, Anton is the best. So I have it like this. Make more money. I think it's perfect like that. So I bring a text under. Proven ways to multiply money. Opened medium will be lighter. Decrease the size. Proven ways to multiply money. So as you can see, the image there is basically describing every text that I'm imputing. So it is very important that your the image you're going to use should, if at all you're going to use any image, should at least describe the book title or any other text on the cover. Okay, success secrets of the rich. The success secrets of the rich. So Radley will be good. Let me decrease the size from here. Centralized. Okay, now the name of the author. Let me just use my name. Because this book doesn't exist. Okay, I think it's bigger. Yes. So we have our book cover. White will not work on that text. Let me just leave it like that as black. So we have our book cover. The next thing to do is to export. Now it's saved. Okay. So the next thing to do is to open your browser, and we're going to visit the website that you can that will enable you to create the mock-up that you see. So you go to smartmockups.com. Okay, first of all, you have to register, you have to sign up with Smart Mockups to be able to enjoy your free um mockups. So you can register with your email. Okay, after you've registered, you scroll down and you see magazines and books. Then you tap on create a magazine or book cover. So there are many categories of the branding mockups, business card mockups, greeting card mockups, okay, magazine mockups, and then book mockups. So this is what we want. As you can see, I have one that is free here. The rest are premium. That means you have to subscribe to either their monthly plan or annual plan. Okay. So if you are not registered, you can only use the free mockups available. So this is our mockup. We need to upload the images to be able to make our ebook complete. So you can either upload from Canva or you can upload from your gallery. But for now, we're going to upload from our gallery. To upload from Canva, your Canva must be connected to Smart Mockups. So this is it. We've uploaded from our gallery. Can crop and continue. Aha. So as you can see, this is for the left book. The spine, we need to create another image for that. So we copy the resolution 2320 by 350 and we go back to Canva, use that dimension to create the spine. Okay, so we edit 2320 and 350. Now this is for the spine. Now usually what is written in the spine is the title of the book and the name of the author. So let's do that right away. Make more money. All right, very good. So let's change the font. Let's use the same Anton and change the color. I already have the color code, and that is why I'm just inputting it. If you notice, good. So I'm done. I export, save. Now I go back to my browser, and then under spine I upload from gallery. Now this is my image, the first one. So can you see that now? I go ahead and crop and continue. So it is uploaded perfectly. So the next thing to do is you can customize the appearance of your ebook cover. Okay, you just tap on the customize there. So and you can edit the background. If you have a picture from your gallery that you want to use, or if you want to get a picture from unsplash.com. If you remember when I was talking about resources, I made mention of Unsplash where you can get stock photos. So you can upload an image from your gallery to be your background or Unsplash, or you can use these colors that are here. Okay, so I think, yeah, the ash is better. So can you see that now? Yes. So this is it. We download our ebook cover. I'm going with super high so as to have a better quality image. It's downloading. We have to wait for it. Make sure you have a good internet connection to do that. have to be patient. Okay, it's downloading and it's downloaded. Now you go to your gallery under downloads or anywhere your browser stores your downloaded stuff. So can you see that now? All right, so this is how to create an ebook cover that can be used to promote an ebook on a website, on Instagram, or any digital platform at all. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.